Alright, we're back. We're doing another day trip from Cabo. This time we're taking about a 20-minute car ride up the Pacific coast in a taxi right now, and we're going to be doing horseback riding on Carisuva. They've got a Pacific side horse thing. I don't know exactly what it is. We're going to find out. We'll show you everything that we do though. But it's in a natural park. It should be kind of cool. It's $10 fee to get in the park besides the tour. So we're going to show you what this is all about.
Look at that view. You get the ocean right over there. Obviously a very loud rooster.
Hey. Hey. All right.
No matter what we do with the horse, this is your favorite thing. Using the horses for roping or for cattle drives, you know. So the English is more about comfort and balance. And if they do jumping, you don't want a horn on the saddle when you jump. You need a little more room. So there's just different uses for different saddles. And actually, the favorite saddle I've ever used, my uncle had an Australian saddle. Yeah.
So whaling close there. Just right off the point, halfway out. No, the whale.
Oh, the whale?
Yeah. Here's the point, just halfway.
So, this is Jamie. Apparently they put me on a lead horse because I told them I could ride. And not only was I allowed to trot and gallop, they let me take off running my tail off down the beach. And this guy went full out sprinting down the beach and was amazing. Very, very well trained horses. As you can tell, we worked him hard. And he was just outstanding. Probably one of the best experiences I've had on a horse my entire life.
That's cool. And you own horses, don't you? So you actually know what you're talking about.
I know what I'm talking about.
That's why you're doing the outro.
Yes, and this boy, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you what an experience it was. The sun, the surf, and a horse just flying underneath you.
Yeah,
it was
cool.
Outstanding.
And well taken care of too.
Well, these horses are insanely well taken care of. They're healthy, they're clean, their feet are well managed. You can tell they really do a great job taking care of these animals, which is always encouraging.